On the 2009 Nissan Rogue, this is where the temperature sensor is, temp coolant sense. If you're coming from the passenger side, the battery right here, and then you got your air box, and then right in between there, you got your sensor on the housing there, on the thermostat housing. There's that clip you gotta undo, and then you gotta get your bolt or your socket on top of that where you remove the wire. To get at it, you're gonna want to remove the battery and then take that out of the way, and then coming from this side you can see it down there. See it right there? Battery sensor on the 2009 Nissan Rogue.